Colors, gradients, outlines, and effects, these are the building blocks of every great design. Let's explore the magic behind fill, stroke, and effects in Figma. Fills give objects their personality. By default, objects are filled with a solid color, but you can add multiple fills, including gradients and images. Each fill acts as its own layer with unique transparency and blend modes. Figma supports 5 color models for solid fills: RGB, Hex, CSS, HSL, and HSB. Here's how they differ. RGB, color values adjust from 0 to 255. Used by computers to display colors but isn't the most intuitive for humans. Hex, a single hex code like FF5766 appears. Great for web design and easy to copy and paste. Quickly enter hex codes using 1 or 3 character shortcuts. For example, 5 becomes 55555 and 75B becomes 775BB. CSS style RGBA code is displayed. For example, RGBA 255.187.51.0.8, perfect for web projects with built-in opacity. HSB. Hue sliders adjust colors on a wheel, while saturation and lightness sliders refine them. HSL and HSB are ideal for design work, offering fine-tuned control over color richness and brightness. Use the eyedropper tool to sample colors from your design or images. Just press I to open it in the color picker. Note that these color models are used solely for displaying colors within Figma. Upon export, all values are converted to the sRGB color profile. Color isn't just about aesthetics, it's about accessibility. Use plugins like Contrast to check that your designs are readable for everyone, following modern accessibility contrast guidelines. Fills are just the beginning. Add strokes for outlines and effects like shadows or blurs to elevate your designs. Each layer works together to bring your ideas to life.